Hey there, it's Ravi from Luxury Property Partners. And if you're like me, you've probably found yourself in a situation where selling your home feels like an uphill battle, wondering if your agent's black book of endless potential buyers is actually working. So let me share some crucial insights on what your agent should have done by now and why we'll get it sold for you. Look, real estate is super competitive, and a great video is your secret weapon. Why? Well, according to the latest 2023 research, properties with high quality videos get up to 400% more inquiries. So picture this, a full agent walkthrough video creating an immersive experience, showcasing unique features that set your property apart. Coming soon videos building anticipation, local area tours that tell the story beyond the walls, and selling the lifestyle. And don't underestimate the magic of twilight shots, captivating potential buyers with an ambience only nighttime shots bring. Professional video production is a strategic move to make your property unforgettable. Did you know, last year 84% of the UK population were using social media throughout the year? Well, how about the opportunity of getting your home in front of our 600,000 subscribers, followed by celebrities such as Gordon Ramsay, Amanda Holden, and professional footballers? Yeah, our YouTube channel, The Luxury Home Show, is the most subscribed luxury property channel in Europe, with videos that have achieved over 1 million views. Offers have been made and properties sold just by potential buyers watching our channel. Imagine an open house invite landing right in the hands of the homeowners, with those already looking to make a move. We're not just sending a flyer, we're sending a curated experience with a personalised video that brings your property to life. It's targeted, effective and tangible. And we've reached the grand finale, the open house event. Why do open houses work so well? Well, it's more than just opening doors, it's about creating an immersive experience for potential buyers. Picture this, they walk through the door and instantly feel at home. The benefits? Well, open houses tend to spend less time on the market, and with a one-day event, it's less stressful for you. There's no need to have multiple viewing days, only to be disappointed with no-shows. One amazing day where we'll work hard to get you over the asking price. Plus, it's a chance for buyers to envision themselves living in the space, and we consider everything from fresh flowers, soft music, and even a scent that welcomes visitors. These subtle touches make a lasting impression. So as we gear up for your open house, let's turn it into an unforgettable experience.